Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn that how we can install ChatGPT in iPhone. So, ChatGPT is changing lives. So, how we can install ChatGPT in iPhone because it is not available on App Store. So, without wasting time, let's start. So first of all, open your shortcut application on iPhone. If you don't have, then you can install it from your app store. Now press on plus icon right there, then press on add action. Now find the web button right here. After tapping on web button, find the open URLs right here. After tapping on it, write a URL as chat dot open ai.com. After that, tap here. Now rename it as ChatGPT. So here we go. Now add it to home screen by tapping here and tap on icon button and add a photo which I will provide you in the description of my video. Adjust it and here we go. Now tap on add and now you have your own chat GPT in your iPhone. So thank you for watching and subscribe my YouTube channel for further cool tutorials.